Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special car, the 2025 Ford Torino GT Fastback. This legendary nameplate has been reborn with modern technology and performance upgrades, blending classic style with cutting-edge features. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or someone just curious about the latest muscle cars, this review is for you. Let's take a deep dive into the interior, exterior, performance, and pricing of the 2025 Ford Torino GT Fastback. First off, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2025 Torino GT Fastback instantly commands attention with its sleek, aggressive stance. Ford has stayed true to the car's muscle car roots while incorporating modern design elements. The bold front grille is flanked by sharp, angular headlights, giving it a face that looks ready to tear up the road. The long, aerodynamic body has that unmistakable muscle car vibe, with a slightly curved roofline that slopes down toward the rear. One of the standout features is the sculpted side panels, which give the car a more dynamic appearance. The 2025 model comes with classic 18-inch alloy wheels that perfectly complement its strong, muscular frame. Available in a range of colors, the Torino GT Fastback has a timeless appeal but feels contemporary, and it will definitely turn heads wherever you go. When we move inside, the 2025 Ford Torino GT Fastback doesn't disappoint either. Stepping into the cabin, you're immediately greeted with a mix of premium materials and technology that make this car feel truly luxurious while retaining that muscle car essence. Ford has incorporated leather-trimmed seats, and the driver's seat comes with full electric adjustment for the perfect driving position. The dashboard is clean and minimalistic, with a classic instrument cluster that's been updated with modern digital displays. The infotainment system is an intuitive 12-inch touchscreen that features the latest S1C4 system, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin offers ample legroom, even for taller passengers, and the rear seats are spacious enough to comfortably accommodate adults. Ford has also included premium sound systems, making those long drives even more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about performance, and this is where the 2025 Torino GT Fastback truly shines. Under the hood, it boasts a 5.0-liter V8 engine, pushing out an impressive 450 horsepower. This powertrain is paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, which ensures quick gear shifts and an incredibly responsive driving experience. For those who prefer manual control, a 6-speed manual transmission is also available. With the advanced rear-wheel drive layout, the Torino GT Fastback offers exceptional handling, whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing it around a tight corner. The car comes with an adaptive suspension system that adjusts to the road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride without sacrificing performance. 0 to 60 miles per hour is achieved in just under 4 seconds, and with a top speed that exceeds 150 miles per hour, this car is as fast as it is good-looking. As for safety, Ford hasn't cut corners. The 2025 Torino GT Fastback comes with an array of advanced driver assist technologies. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Ford has also added a rear-view camera with parking sensors to make maneuvering in tight spaces much easier. You'll feel secure and in control behind the wheel, knowing that the latest safety features have been integrated into this performance-fastback machine. Now, the question on everyone's mind, how much does this beast cost? The 2025 Ford Torino GT Fastback starts at around $55,000, but the price can increase with various options and trims. If you opt for the higher performance trim with upgraded performance packages, you're looking at closer to $70,000. For muscle car enthusiasts who are willing to pay for that iconic performance and modern luxury blend, it's a fair price. Overall, the 2025 Ford Torino GT Fastback is a car that delivers on every front. It combines the best of both worlds, offering the raw power and aggressive styling that muscle car fans crave, with a modern, tech-filled interior and up-to-date safety features. Whether you're taking it for a leisurely drive or pushing its limits on the track, it's a car that promises an unforgettable experience. That's a wrap for our review of the 2025 Ford Torino GT Fastback. Do you think this car is a worthy successor to the legendary Torino name? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.